Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ, and today's hair is from Nadula Hair. I'm super excited because I feel that this unit definitely could be one we could wear for the fall. Okay, just give us a little spice it up just a tad bit. Okay, so yeah, I do have their 13 by 4 lace highlight blonde body wave wig. She is 24 inches, and just be sure to check the description section below because I will have all the details in regards to the hair there. Now I'm just going in to place the wig on my head for the first time, straight out of the package, not altered, washed, anything, y'all. This is what she is giving us. And you know, I'm just playing with it a little bit, see if I'm doing a side part, because they did give us a middle part and it is pre-plucked. So I did go ahead off camera and plucked it just a tad bit. I also added my cream foundation underneath the lace. And of course, you guys can see I went ahead and cut off the lace first before I install it. So now we're just going in with my got2b spray to secure the unit down all the way. When I install my wigs, I love to bring the center of the wig down furthest on my forehead. One, because I just want to minimize my forehead because my hair be long. It is long, but that's okay. And two, I just don't want the wig sitting directly on my hairline in the middle and the center. So I just do that to like kind of protect my hairline. Now on the sides, I really can't, you know, pull it down past my hairline because the sides of my head, it comes down further anyway. So pretty much I just follow the same guideline as my natural hairline on the side because it has no other choice but to sit there unless I want to do my baby hairs and my baby hairs run into my eyebrows. And I'm just not a big fan of that look anymore. Like my old videos, y'all can see I always had my baby hairs running into my eyebrows. Now I'm just at a point like I don't want them, you know, that close. All right, guys, so now I'm going in with my rapid styling strips. Y'all, you can get this from Sally's, or I can leave a link and you can purchase it from Amazon as well. But y'all, I went back to using these because I forgot how great these strips were. And mind you, I've put all my headscarf or silk scarves somewhere, so I don't know where they're at. So I just went and bought these, and they give you the same results after you do tie down your hair. But I'm just going in to hot comb it before I lay it down. And this step is crucial because you do want your hair to be fully dry and melted before you move on to the baby hairs. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap that on around, and I leave this on for the same amount of time, 5 to 10 minutes. With this step though, I do add my blow dryer on a hot heating setting because this strip protects it. So I do use heat before I actually remove it. But this is what she's giving, okay? And can we say melt? Can we say melt? Can we say scalp? Can we say scalp? Okay. But anyway, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix up the part. Like I said, they gave us some middle parts, so I'm like, hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and flow with it. I'm just gonna add some more wax towards the top, and we're just gonna go ahead and hot comb that down as well. We're trying to give salon, okay? We're not trying to give wig. I know it's a wig, but the goal is you don't want your wig looking like a wig, okay? Now we're going in with my cream foundation. I'm taking the lighter shade and I'm gonna place it in the part. And look at that, like that's just giving me straight up scalp. That looks so freaking good. And y'all already know I live for that part to pop. I cannot, like, I feel like if your part don't pop, it gives me wig. It gives me wiggy vibe, you know? So yeah, I was deciding on whether or not I wanted to do baby hairs, because I was like, it looks very good without the baby hairs, but you know, y'all, I probably have still, I think I only done no baby hairs one time. But we're gonna go ahead and grab our got2b glue gel, and we're gonna go ahead and swoop. Now when y'all are swooping, it's really hard to explain like the swoops, but just do like a C shape. I don't know, a C shape. When you're doing your swoops, just picture a C shape. Baby hairs are trial and area. Why can't I talk? Baby hairs are trial and error. Sometimes I have great hair days, and sometimes I don't. So after I'm done with the gel, I do seal it in with my got2b glue spray just lightly, and I do add some heat because today I'm just going for that sculpted look. I want my baby hairs just to stay in place. Now, I did the other side off camera, so it's not bad, but sometimes I be feeling like if I don't do my eyebrows the same color as my hair, it just looks weird. It's like it stands out like. So, but anyway, y'all, I put another styling wrap on, and we're gonna go ahead and do some curls. Like I said, the unit already came with curls, but due to me plucking and, you know, doing a little bit stuff to it, I just decided to comb it out and do my own style of curls. Like I said, the curls were very pretty. If you combed them out in the beginning, you would be able to wear them straight out of the box like that, but I needed to go back in and refresh them because, you know, I was just doing a little bit too much. So here I'm just using my Sebastian shaper spray, and I'm just putting it on there and then doing some wand curls. Now I'm lazy AF. I do not like wand curling my hair at all, so I use like a medium-sized barrel to achieve the desired curls, and I do take big chunks of sections. Like I just don't have the time or patience. So yeah, y'all, when I first detangled it, I did get a few shedding. You guys probably seen that in the comb when I first went into detangle it. Like I said, this hair was not washed or conditioned, so this is what it is. The hair already has its own luster and shine straight out the pack. I did add some heat protecting spray to it because I am curling the unit and I don't want to mess it up, and that heat protecting spray protects your hair up to 450 degrees, so that's good because we don't want to damage the colored hair. Okay, normally when you're doing color or curling colored hair, you want to go to the lowest heating setting as you can get because, you know, it can damage it, but you know, the heat protecting got me. Okay, so like I said, y'all know I don't do color, so I was kind of iffy. I was looking at myself, I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna look. I know I did this color before. I have color wigs like this, but still every time I do color, I'm just staring at myself like, girl, it ain't gonna come out right. But listen, sis, let me tell you something about a wig though. It was hitting, it was popping. I really enjoyed working with this hair. It was like a cute, quick install, nothing too serious. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fingers to lightly detangle or fluff out the curls just a bit. I don't like tight curls because no, I love loose body waves, and it says, somebody say Beyonce up in here, okay? Because that's what it's giving. 10 out of 10 in my book if you're into blondes and browns and colors of that nature. Sis, this is a perfect wig for you. So definitely recommend. Hope you guys enjoyed. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.